Hey, okay, yeah, that was a picture of a room that's right in the middle of being moved. So we're in the process of moving from our place where we've been, a room in my mom and dad's mobile home, so in the small cramped quarters to the new home that we've just been blessed with. And that's a whole story in of itself about God's provision and everything he does for us. But right now, what I want to do, I'm doing these little introductions to kind of help you guys understand what we're doing and what's going on. We're a chronological Bible study. We study the Bible from Genesis to Revelations. We focus on having a progressive revelation approach, meaning that we are moving with the characters in real time and not moving beyond what they understand. We're not implementing and putting things on them like, well, they should be doing this or doing that, or why didn't they just read this part in Psalms? Well, maybe they didn't have access to that. They didn't have access to the Holy Spirit. They didn't have an understanding of what was to come. They were at a base level. And so in Genesis and Exodus, especially at the beginning, these are characters that we're dealing with. They're at a very base level. That means that God is working with very raw material here. So every little thing that God is doing is a new revelation about who he is and what he is. And we're looking at it from, why is God unpacking this right now for them? Why is this the moment? So we're doing that. We're walking through that together. We meet Thursday night from 6:30 to 8:30 at Longhorn Cafe on Blanco Road, San Antonio, Texas. That's a Longhorn Cafe, not steakhouse. We have a party room. They bless us with this area, and it's been amazing. So in this class today, we're going over Exodus chapter 3. You'll see I made a whole mess of this whole thing. Exodus chapter 3, 1, and we're actually going to make it all the way to Exodus 4, 17. We're hoping to get through the whole chapter, but we're going to take that back end and add it to chapters 5 and 6 next week. So today, Exodus 3, so chapter 4, verse 17. We're hoping that you guys will enjoy this live class, and hopefully there's an improvement in audio in this one. We're trying some new things, little by little. Progressive revelation, we're progressively getting better at doing some of this recording content. For those of you that would like more information as to what we're doing, just contact us via email or group me, or just reach out to me and I'll get you the contact info. And at the back end of this, we'll start putting this information in cards and also let you guys know what we're doing on a social level as well. So we'll start adding these things little by little, but I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks.